Hey there, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install APK files on your Android phone. Now on your Android phone, we're first going to swipe up. We need to make sure you have permission to be able to download those APK files on your phone. So let's first just tap on the settings icon, and then we're going to scroll down until we find security and privacy on this list. Just tap on that. Now, after we've done that, again, scroll down until you get to more security settings. Tap on that. And if you scroll down, you'll see an option that says unknown apps or install unknown apps. Now, keep in mind, APK files do come with a risk. There could potentially be a virus or an issue with those. So make sure you're downloading one that you know is legal and safe and legitimate. Now let's tap on install unknown apps. And what you're going to do is turn this on in the web browser or wherever you're downloading those APK files. So in this case, most people will use Chrome. So I'm going to turn it on for Chrome. And then let's just hop out of here and open up Chrome. And from here, all you need to do is go to Google and just type in APK. And hit search. And you can see a number of different options to be able to download APK files onto your Android phone. After you've done that, we need to locate that file and then just open it up. So let's hop out of here after you've downloaded it. Let's swipe up again to get to your app drawer and find the My Files app on your phone. Keep in mind it might be the Google Files app or the Samsung Files app. Now, on the Google or Samsung Files app, you can see installation files, and it has a little APK there. So just tap on that, and there is the APK file. I can tap on it. It says, for security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install those apps. So I need to tap on settings, and then turn on permission for this app, the Files app, to download the APK files. And now you can see it says, do you want to download this app? I'm just going to tap on install, and it'll go through the process of installing that APK. Again, keep in mind, these are potentially carrying a virus or malware or are illegal, and make sure the exact APK that you're downloading is safe and legal and legitimate and not going to cause you any concerns. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and keep a comment if you have any questions.